Let's talk about front-end accessory drive system inspection and maintenance routine. This system is designed to transmit torque from the crankshaft to accessories like the alternator, air conditioning compressor, power steering pump, and oftentimes the water pump. Its three main components include the serpentine belt, idler pulley, and a tensioner, and in most modern applications there is another belt drive system for the air conditioning. If the belt stretches or slips off the pulley system during operation, the car loses its ability to cool the engine, charge the battery, or engage any accessories. The tensioner's job is to maintain the correct amount of tension on the belt. It also protects other components and helps prevent premature water pump and alternator failure. And finally, we have the pulley. It ensures appropriate wrap angles and belt placement as the engine runs. We recommend inspecting the front-end system around 60,000 miles and conducting a replacement around 80,000 miles, but don't just replace the belt or you could be asking for trouble. When we receive calls on our tech hotline about failing belts, it's almost always because other components weren't changed at the same time. For example, a new belt won't do any good if a worn tensioner spring causes that belt to slip or glaze, or if you leave an older pulley on with a worn bearing, it will create misalignment issues and wear out the sidewall of the new belt. Changing all front-end components at the same time helps prevent comebacks, reduce noise issues, and enhances overall system performance. Dayco continues to add part numbers to its line of serpentine belt kits to take the guesswork out of system maintenance. We provide coverage for millions of vehicles on the road. These OE quality kits make it easier and more affordable to complete a full front-end accessory drive repair. Every Dayco kit includes everything needed to do the job right, not only saving time and money for your customers, but future headaches from comebacks and vehicle downtime.